Nothing is going to get you more heated up than a damaged or dead car battery when you need your vehicle most, right? During the summer months, there can be a little extra pressure placed on your vehicle, especially in Arizona. The heat can have an impact on your tire condition as well as your car battery. Just like people need to stay cool after activity, your vehicle is the same way. Summer temperatures tend to evaporate the fluids your battery needs, and this will weaken its charge. The heat can also do a number on the internal battery components, leading to corrosion and irreversible damage. This can leave you stranded in the heat by the side of the road. As things heat up, your trusted auto repair shop can test your battery and check the condition and power before something goes wrong. Being proactive can save a lot of time and frustration down the road. Cold temperatures can kill batteries and damage them too, but cold weather followed by extreme heat can really put things over the top. Here's how you can make your car battery last longer. Limit short trips, as your battery cannot fully recharge and recover in between. Always be sure to turn off interior and exterior lights when you're done, and keep the battery and battery posts clean. Don't use electronics in the car when it's off. Park in the shade to reduce direct sunlight exposure, and make sure the barrier for your car battery is there. Finally, have your vehicle maintained and serviced by a trusted repair shop who will check and repair your car battery needs as the summer progresses. We're waiting for your call.